Hey all, Brian is Pratt here with my weight loss journey update. How did I do yesterday? Well, I'm now, of the 8 pounds that I gained, see I lost 25. My brother was here, went to my girlfriend's. During that time I gained 8 pounds. Since I came back here, I've lost 4 of those pounds. That's right, I'm down to 4. I'm only at 4, so now since the beginning of the year, I'm plus 21. Was plus 25. Then I gained 8 pounds, so I was plus 17. Now I'm back at plus 21. Now that I'm here and I can watch what I eat, it's going down. It's just gonna go down, and I'm gonna push to get back into upper to mid 250s, hopefully by the end of August. And then through September, I'm going to try to get closer to 249, drop below 250. And then sometime in October, I plan to hit 240s. And by the end, be 243. If I can hit 243, I will have lost 40 pounds this summer. That's my goal. So, what am I doing differently now than I did when my brother and at my girlfriend's? First of all, I'm not eating out. I'm fixing stuff here in my kitchen. Now here at the house, I have no junk food. I have no chips. I have no cookies, no cakes. I don't even have brown sugar. I don't have shortening, and I don't have flour. If I want that, I got to go out to my mom's part of the house, because if I have it back here, I will have a weak moment, and before I know it, I'm making cookie dough or something, or putting something together with a high sugar content and eating it while I'm watching television. But I haven't been doing that. Like yesterday, I woke up. Yesterday was Thursday, so I woke up and I took my boy to work and back. And during that drive, I had 2 cherry puffs. Each of those are 10 calories. And then I had a Biscoff thing, which is about maybe 100 calories. It's like it's two cookies, crackers inside the package. And then I had a peanut butter toast. And when I make a peanut butter toast, I don't slather on the peanut butter. I do a thin layer. I scrape off the excess, because all I want is something just to settle my stomach before I go out there. Then I came back. Then for lunch, I made rice, a rice pot. I have this little bitty mini rice cooker. You put in 1/4 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. It says 2 to 1, but I like a full cup. Then I add in, I have these individual packets of taco meat that I cooked before. I let it cool down, and then I separated it into these little individual freezer baggies. And I have those in my freezer. So when I want to do this, I just pull one out, and boom, it's in there, right? And the amount of meat is about that long. is about the size of my finger, maybe a little bit longer, and that's it. And then I also chopped up a jalapeno, and so that was my lunch. Oh, with a little dollop of sour cream. Now it says a serving calorie I think was 70, but a serving size was 2 tablespoons, and I only used 1, so that was only 35 calories from sour cream. I enjoy sour cream. I used to put on more, but I'm cutting back as I go. Then later, I had some cereal, and that was all I had yesterday. And then this morning, I had 1 package of granola bar from Nature Valley. I looked at the packet, and that was 170 calories. I couldn't believe it was that much, but I ate that. And then I came back in here and I had another peanut butter toast. I enjoy peanut butter toast, and it's not that much calories, because the bread itself is 70 calories, according to the loaf I'm using. And then the peanut butter itself, so maybe 200 calories, probably less. And then add that to the Nature Valley granola bar, I'm maybe 400 calories right now. Oh, and the 2 puffs. So maybe 400 calories right now, plus 400 calories. Right? And then when I go out there, I'm about ready to leave in a couple minutes to go garden and mow. And that usually burns over 1,000 calories. So when I'm done with that for the day, I'll be at negative 600 plus. So that means for the rest of the day, if I just want to lose or maintain my regular my regular weight loss, which is I want 500 calories per day less than what it takes to maintain my weight. It takes about 2,000 now to maintain my weight, so I need 1,500. But if after I work outside I'm at negative 600, that means I can have 2,100 calories worth of food for the rest of the day. I don't plan to have that, but because for my lunch I have a smoked turkey leg and thigh that someone gave us for Christmas. That's been in my freezer. I'm finally pulling it out. That shouldn't be too bad, and I'm going to bake it. I'm just going to put it in the oven and I'm going to bake it so even more of the fat will come off of it and the juices. And then I'll have cereal again for dinner. And tomorrow we'll see how good that goes. But you got to find ways to reduce the calories. I really should only have the leg and save the thigh for tomorrow, but I really want it, and I'm doing really good. If I start dropping too fast, I want to not drop. I don't want to keep dropping fast. I want to maintain a steady drop, and then once I'm down 10 pounds, I want to plateau for a week or two before I go down again. Because if you don't plateau, at least as far as how I see my weight loss, if I don't plateau and I eat a big meal, my body wants to go up here because it says this is where my normal weight is, but I move down to here. But if I plateau for a week or two, then my body's saying, well, this is where we want to be. If you gain too much, we'll bring you back down. If you lose too much, we'll bring you back up. So that's how I see it in my head, and for me that works. So hopefully all this can help you out. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me. And if you want to hear more, subscribe obviously. Hit the top bell button and you'll get notifications for all future posts on this weight loss. If you're going through a weight loss journey, maybe what I say can help. Maybe my strategies or thoughts can improve your motivation for yourself to have a healthier life. Comment is always good. Like's the number one thing to do to help me. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care. And yeah, time to go garden. Burn off them calories. Take care.